Hi everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for 30 days of sketches with Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Check the description box below for all the information for everybody playing along with today's sketch. And here I am working on my sketch. So did I say this is day 10? This is day 10 or day 9. I'm sorry if I said day 10 before. Anyhow, day 9, 30 days of sketches. I've only missed one day so far, and I had a different video posted that day, so woo, pretty excited about it. But today's sketch is a grid. So I decided to pull out some Project Life cards. I have very few of them. I did get rid of a whole bunch because I don't do Project Life, so I don't really need them. But I pulled out a couple that I do have. I think 3 of them are from Scraptastic. One of them, that today is a gift, that's going to be my title. That is from a Teresa Collins paper, and then 2 of them are from like this little flip book. I think it's We Are Memory Keepers. And it was this little book full of like pocket cards. So I'm doing this photo of my son. I love this photo. He just looks so happy, and I don't know, it's just one of my favorite photos of him. It's not a very high quality photo because it was taken while we were watching fireworks, so it's, you know, dark out and everything, but I don't know, I love the look on his face. He really looks like he's enjoying himself, and yeah. So, oh, excuse me. Sorry about that, I just swallowed wrong. So anyway, just going through my little bin here. These are all random cut apart things that I have fussy cut out of things, and they get thrown in this bin if I don't end up using them. And so I'm using this as my embellishment. I didn't have enough stuff in my hip kit, my September hip kit, to do an entire layout. And I wanted a specific color scheme, so that's why I'm not using my hip kit. The background paper is from the Cocoa Vanilla Legendary collection. It is the absolute perfect wood grain. If I could buy 100 pieces of this, I probably would. So I had a problem with a couple of the pocket cards. They were rounded edge, and then some of them were straight corners, and I wanted them all to be, you know, squared corners or whatever. So I did trim them all down to match. And then I'm backing my photo with some parchment paper from Cardstock Warehouse. And then I'm also going to use this paper, which did come from my hip kit. It is a Heidi Swap paper, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like the old school, the new, you know, her collection. Because it was the right color that would match my layout, so I'm just backing my photo with that as well and trimming it down. And then it's not perfect, so I'm going to trim it some more, and then I'm going to trim it some more. Okay, so I'm happy with my placement. If you see, I am shifting everything kind of over to the right a little bit more. That is because in the sketch there is a strip of paper that goes down that left-hand side. And I knew I wanted to do something, but then by the time I decide I don't want to do anything, it was already too late. So I'm sticking everything down a little bit more over to the right side. And then at the end, I will have to come in and figure out what to do to represent that strip. But it turns out okay. If I could take it off, I would, but I can't, so I don't mind it. So I'm just sticking these down. I am using a T-square ruler because I want them to be straight. That's the thing about grids, is you can notice if like one of the squares end up crooked, it's noticeable. So I was doing my best to stick them down straight, but they do end up a little crooked still. And then I'm going to pop my photo up on some fun foam, and also I'm just doing that little piece there that says best kid ever. I'm trying to position my photo so that you can still see that little heart underneath that says love. It's very subtle, but I didn't want to cover up the heart, so just trimming off the branding strip, and then I'm going to work in my top cluster here. Now they have a bunch of banners in the sketch, but I am just going to do a bunch of layered elements here. Finally got that cool kid thing used. I have like been hoarding that forever, but it works perfectly on this. And then this little piece, I want to say it's from Kitaholic Kits, one of their like exclusive pieces, and it just has a bunch of hearts on it, and it was the right color, so I just stuck that up there. I found all of these craft color hearts that are stars that are from a cut file from Confessions of a Paper Addict, and I am just going to use them, kind of scatter them around my layout. Excuse me. Just layering up some tags here. These were gonna, or some tabs, what are they? Labels. These were gonna house my title, but I decided to use "Today is a Gift" as my title. Like I have said in previous videos, my son is almost 18 and he's going to be out of the house next year, and well, depending on, you know, the apocalyptic times we find ourselves in, and just feeling a little nostalgic and everything. So "Today is a Gift" is, I felt like, a perfect title for this layout, because it really was a gift. We always do fireworks together as a family. We couldn't do it this year because unfortunately everything was canceled. But yeah, we tried to have fun anyhow. So, and then I'm going to pull some of these phrase stickers, also from the Legendary collection, and stick them down. And I'm kind of using them as my journaling. So the first one I stuck down says "Just be yourself," and then the second one, it says "Go your own way," and then I'm just going to stick one that says "Hello" because it's small enough to fit on that other little piece of a label there. And then that circle there, that is from the Hip Kit Club. That is, it says "You are a star," and I think that is from the Pink Fresh, yeah, the Days of Splendor collection. And I did add 3 of those kind of chipboard flares around. And now I'm sticking down some more of those craft stars and just using some glue. I am running low on glue dots, and I always buy them, well, usually I buy them from Zulily because I get 3 boxes for $12.99 or 4 boxes for $12.99, but they haven't been on sale there for a little while, so I'm trying to conserve the ones I do have. And then here I'm trying to address that strip that's supposed to be down that left-hand side. I thought I could use this paper because, again, perfect color, and just have kind of a wavy "You are one of a kind" going down that side. That doesn't work though. I don't like it. I didn't cut it out very well, and it doesn't go the whole way, and no. So I take that off. And then I start looking for like a pattern piece of paper that I can kind of cut a piece off. And I thought I could use this, which actually it looks very nice, but it just didn't fit. Like, I feel like everything else is kind of graphic and bold, and that was just too soft and girly. So no, not going to add that. I am going to add a piece of this paper, which is from Simple Stories. And I mean, it's a black piece of paper, so it matches really well. It has a little white design on it, which pulls in a lot from the layout. And then I was trying to think, what else I want to add. I thought I wanted to add some black splatters, but then I'm like, I don't know if I need more black on here. So I'm going to add some sequins. I pulled out 2 mixes from Spiegelbaum Scraps. These are a few months old. One of them is Smoothie Mix, and it had the perfect blue color in. And then the other one I'm going to use is Penguin Suit, and that is the like gray and black one. And I'm just going to pull in a couple black sequins from that one. And then I'm still going to feel like it's missing something. So I'm going to go back in my stash and get some of the Delusions white linen ink spray, which is one of the best white spray mists or whatever. And I'm going to sprinkle it around. And then that will be the end of my layout. So I want to, again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over and check out everybody else who's playing along today. Again, the links will be down in the description box. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.